Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how to use check boundary option in NXCam. Check boundary option is helps to avoid the toolpath to make an accident on clamp pads. First of all, we plan to set the machine coordinate system. As per our reference value, we can select the reference point and click OK. Then we plan to select the workpiece and blank part. Here we select the workpiece, then specify the blank. Now we need to add the operation right now. Right click on in workpiece and insert operation. Here we use the cavity mill option in mill contour. Need to specify the tools. We already create the tools. If we need to know the how to create a tool list, that video link in description, please check it out. Now we generate the tool path. The tool path is now generated. In this tool path, you can see that the clamp area also missing, right? It should be make an accident. You can clearly see here. The toolpath does not consider the clamp is there available. So it should be make an accident. So we need to add customize the check boundary and skip this accident. Right click on it operation. Need to edit that. Here you can see that in this list of workpiece and blank boundary, there are another one options available, that is like specify check, right? Here we need to specify the check boundaries where we clamp and that bolt also we need to select that and click OK. Here you select that sweep part and blank and check boundary also we select it. Now generate the tool path. Now the tool path is generated. Now we clearly see that that tool path is avoided the collision, right? So this way it's can't able to make an accident where we clamp that area should not run while running that machine operation. Here we can verify right now. So the tool path does not run on that clamped areas. Here you can set the check boundary on every operation, or otherwise we can select in workspace that workspace option also inside their specific part and specific blank, and also check boundary also available. We can use that workspace option to make check boundary also. We can select it. The check boundaries must be, we can use this to avoid the accidents by using the various types of clamp pads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to RK CAD-CAM.